Hi guys, today I'm making chicken stock and some fried chicken. There is no better feeling than having your stock readily available when you need to make a quick meal. It helps to enhance the taste of your meals, giving you a richer and tastier dish. So guys, let's make some chicken stock. So I'm going to start adding my chicken into the pot. For this I used 3 chicken laps, but you can decide to use probably 2 or 1 to make your chicken stock. I'm using 3 laps because I'm going to fry my chicken. Now I'm going to add my chopped onions, bay leaf, some salt, some crushed seasoning cubes, my thyme, and curry. Next, I'm going to add some water into the pot. You don't want it to be too much, just enough to cover your chicken. Next, I'm going to give it a nice stir, just a bit. To make sure all my ingredients are well distributed. Then I'm going to cover this up. This will cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So our stock is ready, guys. I'm going to scoop out the chicken and transfer them into my hot oil. I'm going to let this fry for 2 minutes and then I'll turn it and fry for another 2 minutes. While this is frying, I'm going to sieve my stock. So guys, our chicken is fried already. Now I'm going to transfer the stock into this jars. Then I'm going to place them in the freezer to freeze, or you can refrigerate them for about 5 days. They can last in the refrigerator for 5 days. But if you prefer to freeze them up, they will last in the freezer for about 6 months, yeah, thereabouts. So you can enjoy your stock for as long as 6 months. Just to make sure whenever you are ready to use, make sure you place them in your refrigerator compartment and let them thaw probably overnight to room temperature, and then you can use them. So guys, that will be all for today. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Dish So Sweet. Be sure to like our video, guys. Like, comment and share. Please share our video with your family and friends, and do not forget, subscribe, darling. Subscribe is really important to me. Okay, subscribe to our channel, guys, and share our videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Hold on, I think I forgot something. You guys should follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I wonder how I forgot that. Guys, follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Love you. Bye.